Hey guys! If you're a Pakistani student dreaming about studying in China for free in 2025, keep watching, because I'm going to break down the step-by-step guide to the top scholarships, deadlines, and how you can actually make it happen. First up, the most famous one, Chinese Government Scholarship or CSC. This covers Bachelors, Masters, and PhD. If you're a Pakistani or AJK citizen and not a dual national, you qualify. But heads up, there are age limits. 25 for Bachelors, 35 for Masters, 40 for PhD, and you need to ace the HAT or USAT test with at least 50 out of 100. The sad part? The 2025 cycle just closed in December. But don't worry, 2026 applications open early next year, so you've got time to prep. Now, let's talk about Silk Road and Belt and Road scholarships. These are for all degree levels at big universities, like Tianjin or Central South. For Chinese taught programs, you need HSK 5 with 180 plus. For English taught programs, IELTS 6 or TOEFL 80 plus. Deadlines are mostly in May 2025, so this is your shot if you're ready soon. Then there are provincial and university scholarships, the Jiangsu Jasmine, Central South Silk Road, even the University of Petroleum in Beijing. Deadlines? Most in May 2025, and coverage is pretty sweet. Tuition, stipend, accommodation, insurance, all sorted. But wait, if you're aiming really high, think Schwarzman Scholars at Tsinghua University or Yenching Academy at Peking. These are elite, fully funded master's programs for global leaders. Schwarzman's deadline is in September and Yenching's is typically late next year. So, what should you do right now? Number 1. Decide your field and level. Number 2. Research universities and check their specific requirements, like the HAT, USAT, HSK, IELTS, or TOEFL. Number 3. Get your documents ready. CV, transcripts, study plan, recommendations, health and police checks. When you're set, apply through the CSC portal, CSC, when it reopens, or the university's own website. And hey, if you want more details on any of these scholarships, or need help with your forms or prep, let me know in the comments. Who knows? The next success story from Pakistan could be you.